Hello everyone, my name is Olectralab and today I'm going to be testing this boat that I made from scratch. It's a cool little toy boat. It's made of nothing but popsicle sticks and oh my goodness, there's prickles all over the lawn. So many prickles. Alright, I have this boat made out of nothing but hot glue and popsicle sticks and I'm going to put it in the ocean and we're going to see if it floats or not. We're going to see whether or not it gets completely dissolved by the salt water or if it's going to survive. I'm going to give it a little bit of mercy, and then I'm going to take it out here and I'm going to plop it down just outside past the breakers. I'm going to go in here. I'm really hoping that it floats. It may just sink, but we'll see. Oh my goodness, it works. It's, oh no! Oh no, it sunk. Alright. So I'm going to have to make some changes. There's definitely going to be some modifications before I scale this guy up. But maybe if I just turn him the right way on. Oh no, it's really top heavy. It's too top heavy. It needs more, what do you call it? It needs more something, more stability, more weight in the bottom. It's got no keel. It's a keelless boat because it's supposed to be a barge. Okay, alright. I put it in. Oh my goodness. It's not designed to have a mast. I'm just going to leave the mast down for now. I'm going to see if I can at least push it. Oh yes, it's working. Oh no. I'm going to get wet. I'm going to get so very wet. Oh no, it's sinking. Oh, it tipped over. It's Titanic all over again. Okay. Oh. I'm going to say it's a sort of a win because it's still together. It hasn't melted. It's not fallen to bits. It's not little popsicle sticks floating around. The hull is definitely filling up with water faster than I would like. We can oh my goodness, there's flipping, oh what is that? In the water there's lice and they eat your skin. Sometimes if you leave your fishing nets out in the bay, it only takes like 2 hours before lice will devour the fish, like the bodies of the fish completely. So I've got to sort of keep moving so that my feet don't get eaten by lice. But if we put this in here, I can go ahead, I can push this. Oh my goodness, it's working. But not very well. It's working but not very well. I can see that the glue here has changed color almost. I'm going to call this a win in that it stayed together. It's not a win in that it's not a very good boat. It's sort of staying up. It's floating because it's made of wood. But as you can see, it's a ticking time bomb waiting to collapse. But while we're out here, since I've come out all the way to the beach to play with my little homemade boat, I may as well act like a 5-year-old in kindergarten and make the most of playing with this little toy boat before it inevitably dissolves when the glue loses grip. Yeah. Oh my goodness, that's so cool. The rudder made it turn. And it sunk. It sunk again. Oh. The rudder did actually turn the boat. That's a bonus. The rudder's working at least. If I set it straight, it should go straight. There's the rudder. Now we're going to push it. Wait. Oh no! Oh no! It's dissolving. Oh, too soon. Too soon it's dissolving. Okay, so the roof came off. That's not great. But we've still got the basic frame of a ship. Is there any chance it's going to make it into shore before it completely dissolves? Because the glue is $2 shop hot glue. Oh no, it's going to sink. But I think I may as well make a dramatic little boat enters the shores. Yeah, go catch the wave. You can do it. Oh no! Oh, it's been thrown. Oh, everyone on board that ship is so very dead. Oh, the drama. If I had better cinematography skills, I might make this into a little short film. Oh, look at that. It's being washed up. If only I had a camera that was waterproof and could get a low angle we could have like a little super dramatic movie scene. I'm gonna try it again. I'm gonna come up with some dialogue. Here we go. No, Peter! It's impossible! We'll never make it to shore in one piece. Trust me, we can do it. and then the boat gets horribly munted on the rocks. Oh, look at that. It's so dramatic. I feel like a giant looking down on a tiny boat. For some reason, the hot glue has formed little spider strings. I don't know why that is, but it has. This is going to be the boat's test. I'm gonna stop the video and get a picture right before this thing completely destroys itself. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye. That's the end of my boat.